AG Auto Works here. I have a 2014 Volkswagen Jetta with the 1.8 TSI. I'm just making this video to show you guys how to take out the intake manifold since I didn't see any videos out there. It's pretty simple. You see here, it's a bolt on the top and the bottom on each fucking thing here. And let's see. You have to, let me show you these parts. This is the intercooler. The intercooler fucking pipe. You gotta take this off, disconnect the sensor. Took the air box out so I could have more space to work. Took the battery out. And this here goes, let me get the light over here. So this connects to that and then to there. The reason I took this off was because the bottom of this fucking intake manifold was hitting this nut right here. And I was like, fuck it, let me just take it out. I don't know if you really have to, but it was in my way. And what else? You gotta disconnect all these plugs that are underneath the intake manifold. There's this little holes right here that connects to the bottom of the intake manifold. This little hose, it's all the plugs. Well, maybe you don't have to disconnect it, but I know that this shit, you just gotta slide it out of here. You see this little shit right here, just slide it out of there. Unplug the throttle bodies. This here, you don't have to take it out. You don't have to like fuck with this. But I did unscrew it. This bracket here. This is where it slides into here. This hole, this slides into this hole and it doesn't have a nut, or this one didn't have a nut. So what I did was I just unscrewed that. It just has a fucking wire. It's loose, it just has a fucking, you know, this wire on it. But yeah, I took that screw out, so I was able to slide the intake manifold out, and then slide the intake manifold out of there. So let me give you a quick review. Take these bolts out, top and bottom, all of them. Disconnect the intercooler throttle body shit, which is that over there. And disconnect these sensors. Make sure all the hoses are off. Unscrew this bracket. For that bracket, you're going to need a triple square. You're gonna need a triple square 10mm. Okay. And that's about it, yeah.